For more Bollywood gossips, hit the bell icon and never miss an update from Movies Adda. Salman Khan's marriage has always been the talk of the town, and every time the Bhaijan of B-Town manages to dodge this question in his own witty way. Well, the same thing happened on the Kapil Sharma show when ace comedian and host Kapil Sharma posed questions about his marriage. Now answering Kapil, Salman said that he was inspired by his character in his upcoming film Bharat, who does not get married till the age of 72. Now with this, he has clearly hinted that he has no plans to get hooked up soon. But his mom Salma Khan does have other plans, and she hopes that her son settles down and marries his good friend Katrina Kaif. Salma Khan and Katrina Kaif get along quite well, and last year we saw them spending quality time together at Malta, where Salman and Kat were shooting for their upcoming film Bharat. So looking at this, we wonder if Salman will pay heed to his mom's advice, or will he continue to enjoy his singlehood for many years more? What do you think? Do let us know by commenting in the section below. For more Bollywood gossips, hit the bell icon and never miss an update from Movies Adda. Karan Johar's chat show did manage to stir up quite a huge controversy when cricketers Hardik Pandya and KL Rahul graced the coffee couch. The two sportsmen bared it all and spoke without any filters. But Hardik took things a bit too easy and spoke about how his parents were cool talking about his sex life. He further said that he would share his experiences about which girl he had slept with. Now this statement seemed quite crass, and netizens are crying hoarse about the misogynistic comments of Hardik. So much that Twitter is now flooded with trolls and hate comments over Hardik for objectifying women. One such hater wrote, "Education is highly important. Parents gotta teach their kids to respect women. Speaking about losing virginity to your parents doesn't make one cool family. Seriously, shame on these people who think women are object of desire. Ridiculous this is. Coffee with Karan." Another tweet read, "Watching Coffee with Karan, a show so entertaining and a mass favorite, was a huge disappointment today. Mr. Cool objectifying women around him seemed like a coffee affair passed away in few giggles. Sadly, he represents our national team. Hashtag Hardik Pandya, hashtag Coffee with Karan." Well, so what do you have to say about Hardik's irresponsible behavior? Do let us know by commenting in the section below. For more Bollywood gossips, hit the bell icon and never miss an update from Movies Adda. Rohit Shetty's film Simba had a surprise in store for us, as there he had unveiled the first look of Akshay Kumar in his upcoming film Suryavanshi. But do you know that this film has a very strong connection with Salman Khan? Hey, wait a minute! Before you think that Salman will play a cameo in this film, let us tell you that this is not the case. In fact, years ago, Salman had worked in a film with the same name, and the rights for this title were vested with producer Vijay Galani, who refused to part with it. Now this had put Rohit Shetty in a soup, and he was wondering what to do when producer Boney Kapoor came to his rescue and convinced Vijay Galani to give Rohit Shetty the rights to the title. And so years after Salman Khan worked on a film named Suryavanshi, Akshay Kumar will be all set to do the same. Well, so what do you have to say about this strong connection? Do let us know by commenting in the section below. Ranveer Singh's personal and professional life is on an all-time high. Besides marrying the love of his life, his work front too is quite rocking. His latest release Simba once more showcased the mettle of this powerful star. And now we will soon be seeing him in Zoya Akhtar's upcoming film Gully Boy, which is reportedly based on the life of Vivian Fernandez and Naved Sheikh. Besides Ranveer Singh, the film will also have Razi star Alia Bhatt along with Kalki Koechlin and Vijay Raz. Now with such an amazing star cast, everyone was keen to know how the film would fare. And now that the trailer has been unveiled, everyone is quite impressed. While looking at the feedback and positive response the trailer has garnered, we're sure that this Valentine release will definitely win all hearts. Don't you think so? Do let us know by commenting in the section below.
Hi, this is Ashad Varsi and you are watching Movies Adda.
मुन्ना भाई से रिलेटेड बिकॉज फैंस बहुत ईगरली वेट कर रहे हैं कि सर्किट और मुन्ना कब वापस आने वाले हैं, तो उस बारे में कुछ बताना चाहेंगे?
मुझे एक्चुअली पूरी तरह पता नहीं है, बट ऊपर से कुछ मेरा अंदाज़ा ये है कि साल के एंड में होपफुली शूटिंग शुरू होगी।
ऊपर से
मतलब पूरा नहीं
पूरा नहीं, ऊपर से। ओके, सो कहीं ना कहीं ऐसा लग रहा है कि ये कैरेक्टर थोड़ा बहुत आपके अंदर काफ़ी ज़्यादा आ चुका है, तो
लग रहा है जैसा, जो अच्छी बात नहीं है।
चलिए, तो जाते जाते सर अपने फैंस के लिए आप क्या विशेस देना चाहेंगे? पहले तो न्यू ईयर विशेस और साथ ही साथ फिल्म।
आई थिंक न्यू ईयर, ऑफ कोर्स हैप्पी न्यू ईयर टू एवरीबडी। और साल की शुरुआत में मेरी एक फिल्म आ रही है 18 जनवरी को, फ्रॉड सैयां। प्लीज़ देखिएगा, बहुत मज़ेदार है, बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है, इंटरटेनिंग है। मैंने बड़े प्यार से बनी है और हमने बड़े मज़े से की है इसको, और आपको भी बहुत मज़ा आएगा देखने में। सो प्लीज़ डू गो एंड सी इट 18th Jan.
Tamil film star Surya is very popular and he enjoys a great fan following. Still, when the star was asked about his favorite star, he immediately replied Salman Khan. Well, he further expressed a desire to work with Salman Khan in Singham 3. And this revelation has indeed made all of us dream. Well, now if this does come true, then it will be quite interesting to see how the two megastars perform when they share screen space. But Salman's diary is already full of quite some time. And he already has Bharat, Wanted 2, Dabangg 2, Ready 2, and a lot more on his plate. And so we wonder if and when he would find time to work on a film with Surya. That's all for now. Well guys, that's all for now, but keep watching this space for more updates on this hot story. And keep sharing your comments with us in the section below.
Salman Khan has given Kapil Sharma a new lease of life by agreeing to produce the Kapil Sharma show. With this move, Salman had paved the way for Kapil to make a comeback on the small screen. While the ace comedian is indeed making the most of this chance, and the show is slowly winning back all its loyal fans. In a move to motivate Kapil even more, Salman Khan and his family had agreed to grace the show. And here we saw quite a few hilarious moments. But the highlight of the show was when a female fan requested Salman to dance with her. And guess what? The Dabangg Khan gladly gave in to the request. So here we have a video clip of the delighted fan who simply can't stop smiling and blushing as she grooved with the tiger of B-Town to the romantic Dil Diya Galla track. So what do you have to say about this? Do let us know by commenting in the section below. After many long years, Salman Khan had reunited with his friend Satish Kaushik for his upcoming film Bharat, and here the two buddies had a heart-to-heart conversation. It was then that Satish expressed a desire to make an unusual film about a farmer from UP whose family had proven him dead to grab his property. And as they say, truth is stranger than fiction. This man had to run from pillar to post just to prove that he was very much alive. Now, this story fascinated Salman Khan so much that he offered not just to produce this film, but also to handle the distribution. This left Satish speechless, as he had been trying hard for more than a decade to make this film. Well, but now with Salman backing this project, we are sure that Kaagaz will definitely be a super duper rocking hit. Don't you think so? Do let us know by commenting in the section below. Newlywed Deepika Padukone is gearing up for her upcoming film where she plays an acid attack survivor. And before her marriage, she was also seen gracing the coffee couch on Karan Johar's popular chat show Coffee with Karan. Here we see Kejo asking Dippy who looks best shirtless, to which she chose Salman over her husband and other stars. She later praised Salman, saying he's very entertaining on screen. He's a wonderful human being. In another instance too, when she was asked what type of film she would like to do with Salman, she replied, "I believe me and Salman Khan are very romantic people, so I would like to work in a romantic film with him." So what do you have to say about Deepika's candid confession? Do let us know by commenting in the section below.